Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert the business account in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we scroll down, we tap on add account, then we tap on manage account, and here we tap on convert to business account. And here we can tap on convert account again. Here we can add our profile name, which we want to have as a business account. For example, let's say it's like this. Here we can add our website as well if we have one, and then we can tap on next to follow the steps that the app is giving us, and then we can set up our business account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.